stop scrolling. What you're about to see isn't a car. It's an American supercharged beast that doesn't ask for respect. It takes it. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, and it's not built for the quiet or the cautious. It's built for the bold. One look and that wide-body stance, the bulging hood with a scoop carved like a scar, the Hellcat logo staring like it knows it can outrun anything you bring. This machine was born angry. And under that hood, a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8. From 717 horsepower in the standard Hellcat to 797 in the Red Eye, all the way to 807 horsepower in the Jailbreak. That's not just fast, that's unhinged. 0 to 60, just 3.5 seconds. Quarter mile? In the tens. And it'll rip past 200 miles per hour if you're brave enough to stay in it. But don't let the straight line stats fool you. This thing is smarter than it looks. It comes armed with SRT drive modes, line lock, launch assist, and adaptive dampers. Want track-ready stiffness? Dial it in. Want burnout mode? Done. Inside, it's pure American performance. The flat-bottom SRT steering wheel wrapped in leather. Red-lit gauges glowing like a cockpit before liftoff. Recaro seats with suede grips that lock you in place as the supercharger screams. The Uconnect touchscreen? Loaded with SRT performance pages. Live horsepower data, G-forces, reaction times, boost, oil pressure, Transtant. Everything a driver needs to know, and everything your passenger probably doesn't want to see. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual-zone climate, it's all there. But no one buys a Hellcat for the comfort. They buy it because this thing isn't trying to fit in. It's not quiet. It's not efficient. It's not safe for the weak-hearted. It drinks fuel like a fighter jet and throws attitude with every shift. But here's the truth. This is one of the last real muscle cars.
No hybrid.
No turbofour.
No EV silence.
Just raw V8 thunder that lets the world know muscle is still alive. It's heavy. It's loud. It's everything a sports car shouldn't be in 2025. And yet, we love it for exactly that. Because this isn't about saving the planet. It's about shaking the ground beneath it. So if you ever hear a supercharger whine followed by a growl that feels like it's coming from the earth itself, that's the Hellcat. And it's already coming for you. This is American rebellion built on forged pistons, blown boost, and zero apologies. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And if you're the kind of person who lives for noise, fire, and fury, welcome to IronRevX. Subscribe and let's keep muscle alive.